In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix Windows 11 or 10 laptop brightness not working. So let's dive right in. From your desktop, click on this search and search for Device Manager. From here, you have to open this monitor and it will give you this, your monitor option. Right click on that and click on this disable device. Click yes and then again enable it. It will refresh your monitor. Then again right click on that and open up this properties. From general, you have to open this driver and then click here update driver. Select here search automatically for update driver software and it will help you to update your driver. So this was the method 1. If the problem is still there, then you can apply this second method. Click on search and search for CMD. Open it and here you have to type CHKDSK and click enter. Then write prompt, and after writing prompt, if you click enter, then you have to type here like this sfc space slash scan file is equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll and then click enter. And then again write fsc space slash verify file is equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll and click enter again. And then write ASSOC, click enter, and then you have to write sfc space slash scan now and click enter. And if it take more time, then simply press Ctrl plus C from your keyboard and then type exit and click enter. And that's it. After doing it, you have to restart your PC and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Windows 10 or 11 laptop brightness not working in just few easy steps.